Alright everyone, we're going to attempt to do some desoldering. Yes, tons of fun. There's a few switches I want to get off the old QFR, so I'm going to do that one, and then I'm going to try to figure out how well this one goes. So you're going to have a first person view. Sorry for the jostling that's going to occur now. So, hold on. Alright, I'm pretty sure you can see right now. I'm not sure how well you can hear, but okay, we'll just see what happens, because I'll probably do this for like an hour, and then realize that it didn't work, and then we'll want to redo it. So, I'm trying something a little bit different with this desoldering, because I'm totally going to burn myself. I'm going to try running 2 soldering irons because I hate myself and I'm a glutton for punishment. I eat with chopsticks almost exclusively because it's good for hand strength and I believe builds dexterity. But I had the idea, since I need to be putting pressure on both of these. There's a neat little trick to getting these out. I mentioned it on an earlier video. This is an Arkansas stone. It's a tri-stone, and it sits in this little bed. It has a nice little divot for you. So we could take switches like these, flip around. It says an X on it, which means something's wrong with it, maybe. Oh, it's probably the LEDs. Well, anyways, how about a couple of these then? That right in the middle, and now the switch is basically free floating. You can push down on it, and then you take a pen or chopstick or similarly dimensioned object, push down on it while melting those 2 solder points. So let's see if I can chopstick my way to 2 soldering irons. Definitely gonna burn myself, and we will catch it for posterity and the YouTubes. I do it for the YouTubes. Gonna burn myself, gonna burn me good. Easy, easy, easy. Slight modified chopstick. That's not bad. Questionable. I like it. Good heavens, it worked. So you can see that just popped right out. These have a little clip retention for when they mount into the plate. It just takes a little bit of friction to break them, to get them to pop out. Oh man. That's now how do I put them down? This easy. Don't start a fire. I didn't start the fire. It was the soldering irons. I feel like this is going to be really wobbly, and I apologize. Guys, seriously, this upside down keys, upside down spacebar, do it. Do it. Wiggle, wiggle. Defeat the stabilizers. Gotta be smarter than the stabilizers. Where is my keycap puller? Just up. Rocky, rocky. That's better. You. There we go. Much. I said much. Come on. Much better. There we go. So all of these look fine. Don't judge my spacebar. Goodness. I think we're clear on these. So let's grab these bottom guys. Hopefully. Almost need support right there, but this might work. That didn't work. Stay. There. Right. Alright, well, here we go. Easy.
And the first begotten of the dead, and the prince of the kings of the earth, unto him that loved us, and washed us from our sins in his own blood.
There we go.
And hath made us kings and priests unto God and his Father. To him be glory and dominion forever and ever.
Amen.
Amen. Behold, he cometh with clouds, and every eye shall see him, and they also which pierced him. And all kindreds of the earth shall wail because of him, even so. Amen. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the ending, saith the Lord.
Goodness.
Which is, and which was, and which is to come, the Almighty. I, John,
I think I'm not getting enough downward pressure. There we go. This is upside down.
Thou faithful unto death, and I will give thee a crown of life. Then let them hear what the Spirit saith unto the churches. He that overcometh shall not be hurt of the second death. And to the angel of the church in Pergamos write,
Sorry, Switch.
These things saith he which hath the sharp sword with two edges. I know thy works, and where thou dwellest, even where Satan's seat is. And thou holdest fast my name, and hast not denied my faith. Even in those days when Antipas was my faithful martyr, who was slain among you where Satan dwelleth. But I have a few things against thee, because thou hast there them that hold the doctrine of Balaam, who taught Balak to cast the stumbling block before the children of Israel, sacrifice unto idols, and to commit fornication. So hast thou also them that hold the doctrine of the Nicolaitans, which say, I hate. Repent, whereof I will come unto thee quickly, and will fight against them with the sword of my mouth. Happen here, let him hear what the Spirit saith unto the churches. To him that overcometh will I give to thee manna, and will give him a white stone, and in the stone of iniquity, which no man knoweth save he that receiveth it. And unto the angel of the church in Thyatira write, These things saith the Son of God, who hath his eyes like unto a flame of fire, and his feet are like fine brass. I know thy works, thy charity, thy service, thy faith, and thy patience, and thy works, that the last be more than the first. Notwithstanding, I have because thou sufferest that woman Jezebel, which calleth herself a prophetess, to teach and to seduce my servants to commit fornication, and to continue sacrificed unto idols. And I gave her space to repent of her fornication, and she repented not. Behold, I will cast her into a pit, and them that commit adultery with her into great tribulation, except they repent of their deeds. And I will kill the children with death, and all the churches shall know that I am he which searcheth the reins in their hearts, and I will give unto every one of you according to your works. But unto you I say, and unto the rest in Thyatira, as many as have not this doctrine, which have not known the depths of Satan, as they speak, I will put upon you another burden, but that which ye have already hold fast till I come. He that overcometh and keepeth my words unto the end, to him will I give power over the nations, and he shall rule them with a rod of iron. As the vessels of a potter shall they be broken to shivers, even as I received of my Father. And I will give you the morning star. He that hath an ear, let him hear what the Spirit saith unto the churches. Revelation 3. And unto the angel of the church of Sardis write, These things saith he that hath the seven spirits of God, and the seven stars. I know thy works, that thou hast a name that thou livest, and art dead. Be watchful, and strengthen the things which remain, that are ready to die. For I have not found thy works perfect before God. Remember therefore how thou hast received and heard, and hold fast and repent. If therefore thou shalt not watch, I will come on thee as a thief, and thou shalt not know what hour I will come upon thee. Thou hast a few names, even in Sardis, which have not defiled their garments, and they shall walk with me in white, but they are worthy. He that over
They shall walk with me in white, for they are worthy. This has an LED attached to it, so we need to cover both of those connections and remove the LED out. This is actually going to be a problem because these LEDs, come on baby, that's worth a shot. These LEDs have are connected through the through hole down here on the switch, and they connect through there. And on this board, from which we'll be harvesting, this is a Key Company harvest board. It was very inexpensive, but if you look very carefully and catch the light, you'll be able to see that in that little LED through hole point, there appear to be connections. And I do not believe those to be diodes. I'll find out once I get it off, but I'm pretty sure it's just shorted, these connections. That means there's 4 connections that we're going to have to get off or heat up in order to touch these points and get them to go through. So that's not going to be fun. But hey, maybe